So that's distance formula and midpoint formula in a nutshell. I'm going to post some more videos that are not of me that you can watch for extra help. You can also reference the green Algebra 1 book in the back of the room and look on pages 591 to 593. All that I ask is that you please return the books at the end of class. Now, you've got this as your classwork today, okay? 1 through 6, you're given coordinates, and you have to find the distance. If you get a decimal, round to the nearest tenth. So that's 1 decimal place, okay? So if you get 5.683, you're going to round it to 5.7. Now you have 2 examples, 7 and 8, where you are given the actual graph. So you need to go onto the graph, identify your 2 coordinates, and then use the distance formula. 9 through 14 are using the midpoint formula. Okay? Be careful with your negatives. Don't drop them. Okay? Make sure that you don't forget about them. And then there's some mandatory fun at the bottom. You are given the midpoint and you are given one of the endpoints. You have to find the other endpoint. Now, if you need to use a graph, you guys can get graph paper. It's up there at the front of the classroom. If you need extra space besides what is provided, use extra paper. Whatever work you have, be sure to show it. Don't just give me answers, okay? I want to at least see what you have substituted into the formula, so if you get the incorrect answer, I can figure out what you did wrong. Okay, now second block, you have Miss Danby there. She can help answer your questions. And fourth block, you guys have Mr. Carter there, okay? And they can help you guys. All right, be careful when you put things in your calculator. Is it negative or is it subtraction? Sometimes we get mixed up with that. So be cautious. Take your time. Don't rush. You have the whole class period. Now, when you finish, my expectation is that you sit there quietly and you don't interrupt others. My expectation is also that you don't write down a bunch of random stuff on this paper. Okay? What I want you guys to do when you finish, I want you to turn it into the box, what you have completed. Because I'm afraid if you take it home, you're going to lose it over the weekend. Turn in what you have and we will go over it on Monday. And we'll answer any questions that you guys have. Now, if you're answering along the way and you want to check your answers, Miss Danby and Mr. Carter can help you, okay? And they can say, yeah, you got this right. Okay, I'm okay with that, but you're not copying answers. You're working, okay? You are going to work individually today, all right? You'll be doing a group project next week, so you'll have time to talk and do all of that next week. Today is a work day, and you've got to practice. That's the only way you guys are going to get any better, okay? This is one of the last things that we're doing for this quarter and semester, really, okay? Do your best. Stay on task. You may listen to music. I'm okay with that, but I need earbuds in, and no one should be able to hear your music. If you guys have any additional questions, you can email me, okay, or let Mr. Carter or Miss Danby know, and they can let me know on Monday, and I will be back for us to go over all of this together. And my kids wanted to say hello.
Hi.
That's Mickey, Hamburger Mickey. All right. I will see. Jacob, stop. Oh my gosh. Do you see what I have to deal with when I get home? It's not just y'all. I have to deal with them too. Oh my goodness. All right. So I will see you guys on Monday. All right. Be good, be safe, and have a nice weekend.